Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Tech GOAT, and for this video I'm going to show you how you can use your phone screen on your laptop. Okay, how you can control your phone screen on your laptop, either using a cable, using a USB cable, or using Wi-Fi connection, a network connection wirelessly. Okay, so sometimes this app really saved me. One day my phone was cracked and I needed to back up all my files, to back up all my important files from the phone, because the phone was sports, like really sports, so I had to just back up all my files, but due to the screen not responding, so I couldn't do it. So this software really helped me, this tool really helped me to back up all my files by controlling the phone screen using a Wi-Fi connection on my laptop. Very easy and simple. Okay, so I'll put a link down on my description to download the software. So let me show you how you install the software. This is a cracked version. I'll put on my description. So let's download this. You enjoy a lifetime, full free everything. Just don't pay for anything. Okay, just here's the setup. Just click on the setup. Okay, here it is. So you can select your language: English, next, and next. Okay, so it will install everything perfectly. Okay, now don't just worry about this error. Don't worry about this error. Okay, now don't launch it, just finish. Okay, so you know what to do. Just come here, the crack files, and then right click on the icon, go to file location, and then copy this file to the file directory. Okay, then replace the file in destination, and that's all. You're good to go. Click on continue. You're good to go. Okay, so you're done. Now launch it. Okay, that's all. So this is how it is. Very nice interface, everything perfect. Okay, and down the A-Power Mirror, which is you just go to Play Store, and search for the A-Power Mirror, screen mirroring. Just search for it to come. Just download it and open it. If you open it, to tell you to enable debugging mode. So you just go to developer options. But first of all, if you want to enable the debugging mode, you just have to come here, go to settings, and then go to my phone. You just come here, type the build number 3 times. Okay, so I'm already a developer. I just have to come back here, then you go to developer options, then you have to turn on USB debugging. Okay, so just turn on USB debugging, then that's all. You're good to go. So you allow debugging, that's it. Now go back to the app and then allow everything. Okay, so we are done with this. So, okay, that's all. You can either use Wi-Fi or use USB. So I'm using USB for the meantime. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so if you've connected, I've already connected my USB. So after I'll post another tutorial at the side. Just watch it on how you can enable debugging mode and install the app on your phone. So first of all, you need to install the app on your phone. The A-Power Mirror. Just go to Play Store, search for A-Power Mirror, install the app on your phone. Just check on the tutorial I've put aside with this video, then we continue. Okay, fine. So this how, after installing the app, doing everything I asked you to do, this how it's gonna be. So okay, so you see now we are controlling our phone screen. Okay, this is very cool. Now you're able to control our phone screen. You can even take screenshots. Okay, you can open the screenshots. You can take screenshots, make it full screen, do whatever you like. You can just use a whiteboard. You can do a lot of stuff. You can turn off the screen, you can open stuff. You can even screen record. You can do everything that you like. This app is very cool. Okay. You can even play games. You can even play games. Oh, nice. That's very cool. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was very helpful, and I know this will be very helpful for you if one day, in case your phone is spoiled, your phone is misbehaving, this phone screen is not responding, you can just use this as a backup. Okay, and also you can even connect it using Wi-Fi. Not only USB, you can connect it using Wi-Fi. You just check the settings here. Okay, so I use USB mirroring. You can either use a Wi-Fi or whatever you need, however you like it. Okay, so I hope this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also share the video. Comment down below if you don't understand anything. I'll be very glad to help you out. And also, I've placed down my Instagram handle, techGOAT. Just message me, don't be shy. I'll be very glad to reply your messages. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and a great day.